this big shout out to my mentor, my guide, and my brother, Mr. Sunil Sharma sir. And he is a very amazing coach for SEO Dominator. He is providing to us a Google Map SEO Dominator, and he's providing and he taught to us how to rank your website on Google in a proper way, in a proper manners. Okay, I have joined this domination program before 1 month ago, and I have learned a lot of things from Mr. Sunil Sharma, and he has an amazing wealth of knowledge, and he is a master of Google SEO Dominator program. And if you want to learn step by step SEO domination and how to optimize your skills as well, and how to upgrade your skill set, then this program is completely for you. And if you have a courage, if you have a patience to grow in your career, and definitely this program is fit for you. And Sunil sir is a very humble and dedicated person, and he is always available for any person. He provide such a amazing value in this particular program, because they are providing a very weekly 3 live calls on Zoom sessions, and every Saturday a one-on-one call with Mr. Sunil Sharma, because where you can discuss our Q&A session, ask your queries and solve on that time. And community is also very amazing. This premium community is very amazing, so I highly recommend to other person as well. Thank you.